Today a client asked me, how long do pre-approvals last? Now, there's a short answer and a long answer. The short answer is 90 days. So with most banks, once you're pre-approved, from the date of pre-approval, you've got 90 days to go unconditional on that property. So the important thing to note is that for most banks, when you go unconditional, you are then allowed an additional 90 days to settle on the property. So for example, today's August 4th, you could be pre-approved today. That pre-approval is going to last you until early November. If you buy a property at the end of October and go unconditional and you convert that pre-approval into a formal approval, you now have up to 90 days from that date to settle the property, and potentially even longer depending on the bank. And so it's important to note that pre-approval date is not the date from pre-approval to settlement, it's pre-approval to formal approval, at which point your timeframes generally will reset in order to give you time for settlement. The second thing to note is that with regards to the pre-approval expiry of 90 days, there's two things, I guess, that can affect this. So one is extensions of pre-approval. Some banks are very easygoing with this. It might just require a letter from yourself confirming that your circumstances haven't changed. Other banks require a full assessment. So it can vary quite a bit from bank to bank. Some banks do still offer pre-approvals that last longer than 90 days. But the thing that's important to remember is that the pre-approvals also assumes that your circumstances haven't changed. So if your circumstances have dramatically changed, that could affect your pre-approval, even though it technically may be in place. If you've got any questions on this, shoot me a message.